Today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is Cheating Mom Can't Handle Losing Control, Snaps Instantly on Family.
Punched me in the face, punched me in the testicles.
He wouldn't give me my phone, he wouldn't let me leave. The dog bit him. He said he's gonna blame it on me.
Really? Because you cheated on me?
Yeah, it was worth it.
I hold that.
Good. Stop right now.
On August 8th, 2023, officers responded to a residence following a report of a woman assaulting her boyfriend and child during an argument after she was caught cheating.
Hello, sir.
How you doing? What's your brother? Police department? Got a call for service?
Yes.
Where's she at?
Where's she at?
She's in her bedroom. Back there. She's indisposed.
Put clothes on.
Yeah,
Yes.
put some clothes on.
Put some clothes on, please. I can see you blood on your hand. Did you...
This was a dog bite.
The dog bit you? The dog in there?
Yeah.
Did she hit you at all?
Grabbed me up, punched me in the face, punched me in the testicles.
Do you need medical or anything?
Oh, I don't know. Looks like I might need a stitch or two.
All right, yeah.
What's going on? What happened tonight? I'm sorry, what's her name?
It's Raven.
Raven? Okay, Raven. What happened tonight?
It's just too much.
What's too much?
Just not happy with me.
He's not
So-
happy with you?
Yeah, I mean, I told him, I begged him, just let me call my mom, I'll leave. And he wouldn't let me.
He didn't let you leave?
No, he wouldn't give me my phone, he wouldn't let me leave. He trapped me in the room and said if you try to leave, I'm gonna call the cops. Try to leave. Here you guys are. All I wanted to do was go to my mom's house. I didn't want to fight. The dog bit him. He said he's gonna blame it on me. The dog is very protective of me.
Is this your guys' son?
Yep.
You're both biological parents, right?
Yes.
How old is he?
He's 7.
Did he get involved at all? Was he?
Well, yeah, he was here. He witnessed the whole thing. He just said, all I wanted to do was leave. I would have walked. I don't care. My
Have you guys been
mom,
drinking at all tonight?
yeah, we both have.
Okay.
And this is not the first time this has happened. He's called the cops on me before because he was mad at me.
Mm-hmm.
He accused me of cheating on him, and
What was the outcome of that call?
he took my phone. He wouldn't let me have it back. He said his mom pays for it, and I said, please, I have another phone that I cannot find that my father pays for. And I was going to call my mom on that, and he would not let it happen.
What happened to your arm? This
Man, just watch her lie, man. Just watch her lie. Oh, you accused me of cheating or whatever, but we just seen in the clip earlier that you said it was worth it. Yeah, it was good. It was worth, like, come on, man.
on the top?
I don't even know.
Or is that this? Is that a scratch or is that just like
I can't remember, to be honest. I don't know. I did not want any of this to happen. I told him, I promise I'll just leave. Just let me have my phone. Let me just call my mom. She'll come pick me up. I get he's upset. That's totally fine.
Mm-hmm.
But he won't let me leave. He made me lay down here in the bed. Called me a whole bunch of names. And if I tried to get up and leave, he'd call the cops.
Did he ever hold you down at any point?
Yes. And he has before. And I've told him that multiple
How does
times.
he hold you down?
By my chest.
Anything else physical happen that he did?
Basically just that. All I did was try to get up out of my bed.
Did you do anything to him?
Not that I can recall, no. I search his pockets for my phone.
Okay.
And that's it. And I just really wanted to leave. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. I just wanted to go. I never wanted this to happen. This happened already before.
Okay. I'm sorry, Raven. There's a lot going on. It's clearly, like you said, it's not the first time. There's something deeper that you guys gotta figure out. Because you can't let this keep happening, especially.
And I mean, I have 2 kids.
Where's the other kid?
He's probably laying in his bed or something, but he's just like less involved. And
How old is he?
he's almost 6.
Oh, okay. So they're both. How old are both of them?
7 and almost 6.
7 and almost. Okay, so they're.
Yeah, and I feel really bad. I did not want this to happen. We were watching the show, and he started getting very upset about me possibly cheating on him, and he just went off the rails, and I said, I'm just gonna go to bed. And I said, can I at least have my phone, like, in case I need it for anything? And he wouldn't let me. He said, no. I'm fine. If I'm in trouble, then that's fine, because it's what it is. It's just really sad.
I found that she was cheating on me, and she's pretty inebriated, and we were talking about it, and she just got extremely mad at me. This is her phone. Or, no, forgive me. This is her phone, but my mother pays for it. My mother bought it. My mother said she wants it back. So I took it, and that's when she started that.
What did she do to the child?
I'll show you.
Let us leave so we have no choice. We're prisoners.
Yes.
I'm glad you're happy about that. We have no choice.
Really? Because you cheated on me?
Yeah, f*** you. It was worth it.
Oh, I bet. Who's Jesse?
None of your damn business. I don't even know who that is.
Oh, that's why you called him?
Well, he's probably got it bigger. Didn't you?
Wow.
No.
Give me my phone.
Hey, please.
Because I
Hit me again?
swear to God,
Hit me again.
when my mom comes
Hit
here.
me again.
I hold that.
Me?
Good.
Really?
Stop right now.
Wow.
Is there a place you guys can go? Okay. Well,
Bravo for that brother right there, man. Bravo. Bravo for my guy, man, recording that, man. Because look, a lot of time people be lying. Guys get caught up, man. Be like, don't get me wrong, there's guys that be doing some messed up stuff, but women be doing some messed up stuff too, man. And they just start with the waterworks. This their favorite shit right here. I'm gonna show you. This their favorite. This is the favorite shit right here. I'm just going through a lot. I've been I just don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do. Come on, man. When they start that crying shit, bro, it's just like, come on, bro. We seen it. She's lying, crying. Then, you know, you got kids, you got this, that, which that's a whole nother thing. It's like, man, he got one kid, she got two, but they only a year apart. One is 6 and one is 7. God damn. So clearly she likes something, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, you know, it's just like, man, we see her lying the whole time, and kudos for him for recording that, because you gotta have proof nowadays, man. You gotta have proof, man, because 90% of the time they taking the female side regardless, like off rip. You're a man, you're cooked. Like, but good, man. He got that proof, man. You know, and she like, oh, well, and that'd be one of the things too, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh, talking about a man's size and everything, right? But you had kids with this man. You wasn't complaining then. You in a relationship with him. You ain't complaining then, but now all of a sudden when things is going bad, now all of a sudden his performance is lackluster. Like, come on, like, what type of stuff is that? That don't even make no sense, man.
I'm trying to get a hold of you.
My mom's house just burned down. So she's currently in a hotel.
Okay. You said you did say you were trying to press charge.
Well, I mean, I'm aware that the state probably.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I asked what's about it.
I don't want to. I mean, she's the mother of my children.
Yeah.
But he's okay. I'm okay, obviously. Some dings and stuff, but I don't want her to.
Well, I mean,
I just want her to get help.
From what we saw tonight, that she is going to be. There's no way around it. She'll be in us. Is there a place that you guys can go for just for a little bit? Just for a little bit?
Yeah.
We don't want the kids to see.
We have to go in the bathroom. Is that okay?
That'll work. You can't put them in there. Or do you want animal control?
No.
Animal control. If they did bite you.
No, it's okay.
Why? Just because of everything that happened?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, does she get like this with kids? Did she gets upset or just
Very rarely with him.
Yeah.
The little one. Not with him though. So it's kind of out of left field.
Yeah.
But we have this, and she hit it pretty hard.
Are you hurt by chance or anything like that?
I don't remember. We got into a little altercation.
Okay.
He pushed me down a little bit, but I don't think I'm physically hurt.
Did you do anything back?
I don't know. I was searching for my phone that he took from me.
Do you mean that you don't remember?
No, you don't know.
No, I just drank a little bit, and so did he, and we got into an argument, and all I wanted was my phone to call my mother, and he would not give it to me. So I was searching his pockets, and the dog got upset, bit him, and...
Do you know how he got some of the scratches he has? He has more scratches that are in his upper body.
I'm, not exactly for sure, but I'm pretty sure that the dog did really get him. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. One of the officers pointed out that I had something, but it's not like a big deal. It's just a little bit. And he just pushed me down, and that's it. And that's fine.
You ain't do nothing.
All I wanted was to get to a safe space and not have this happen.
Oh, okay.
So the primary officer's this guy right here. He's gonna talk to you real quick, okay?
Okay.
That shit sounds so rehearsed. I just wanted to get to a safe space. Nobody don't even talk like that, man.
So I saw the video that he was recording and everything. And I saw the injuries and everything that he had on him already. Besides the dog bite. Alright, that's not your fault. But with all the evidence that we have collected right now, I have to place you under arrest. Okay. Sign up for me. Lieutenant Colonel back.
You're good, sir? Yes, sir. You're good.
We're just waiting for AFR to get here so we can check out her hand. Do you by chance know where her glasses are?
Here we go.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
And are you willing to let us take some pictures of your injuries?
Yeah, need be.
Yeah, we'll have our crime scene come out and they'll take pictures. I got your glasses. Can you just throw them on real quick?
I'm crying now.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Got a couple of bruises in the eye. Thank you very much. I do have a question. Can I ask your partner? I think you might have been here. Her mother?
Oh, yeah.
Her mother is a lunatic. She's an ex-felon.
Okay.
She's threatened to kill me. And I am fearful that this might just cause that. Is there anything I can do about that?
What's her name?
Angel Lucero.
Well, we'll make sure that he documents that in his report as well, that those are your concerns. But what I would suggest for that is getting a restraining order immediately. It's during the week, so you can go down to the courthouse. And because it's domestic violence related, it'll be free. And you just have to fill it out. There's somebody down there that helps you do it. And then it usually goes into effect within 24 hours. Yeah. That way, if for some reason she shows up here, you call us, and that gives us more authority to have her removed.
Well, I think we're going to probably be...
Okay. Yeah, that would be good too.
If you reach out to someone, a family member, or anywhere else, a friend, somewhere else you can stay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and the restraining order would be good for you and goes to the apartment itself, so the address. And it's good for if you receive any text messages, phone calls, any of
restraining
them.
order.
Right, exactly.
She literally lives right around the corner.
Yeah. If she don't care, if she shows up, we'll come and handle it.
Yeah.
She will be arrested if she violates that. So. Yeah, but for the night, it sounds like you don't want to stay here at all. So yeah, if you want to grab your number, send it with you, and then reach out to see if anyone can come with you guys or whatever the case is. You do that, sir. That's fine.
Thank you so much.
Have you been here before? Do you have anything on your ears that's not supposed to happen inside the jail? I'm going to film my hands on the front and do a quick pat search, okay?
The woman was charged with DV, battery against a household member, and endangering a dependent.
Damn. Yeah, look at that. Look how she just sat up there and lied, man. Just lied. Oh, he was doing this. He was doing that. Oh, did you touch him? Oh, I don't remember. I don't even remember. Oh. All I wanted was my phone. All I wanted was my phone. Golly. Kudos for him, man. But you gotta record everything, man. Get that, man. I'm gonna be lying. Anyway, I think the officers did a fantastic job. And also he did a good job by recording too. So yeah, 5 out of 5 for the officers from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.